Okay, so we replaced the stock entertainment center, I guess they call it, in our Jayco with the Android head unit. Custom made panel by, who is that, Custom Panels Express? Front Panel Express. And really nice. And as you can see, a little bit more, oh, there's a custom splash screen. Got different switches for, just like the stock one did, for the different speaker banks, outside, bedroom, and living room or main speakers. On the stock one, they were labeled A, B, and C, and weren't real clear. Behind this unit is a mini ITX form factor computer. It's controlled by that button, but since we're not hooked to shore power, it won't come on. Got a couple of USB ports here for charging or hooking a hard drive to, I believe. Takes a little while to boot this thing up, but when you activate the computer is hooked by a HDMI monitor to our television up there, and we use a wireless keyboard / mouse, so we're able to get on the internet or watch videos from our hard drive. It's a pretty neat deal, a huge upgrade, and I think it's going to be a lot nicer to use and look at. It's got a DVD player, of course, built into the unit, navigation, which we won't be using, and yeah, it's kind of overkill for what we're using, but a lot nicer to look at, a little easier to monitor here, or to use. Go back to the home screen. Where's the home screen at? Home. There you go. Pretty quick once it boots up. There's your app drawer. And that's it. We're looking forward to using it.